Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the opening day of the annual Jamaica Police Federation Conference was marred with high drama.
Opposition spokesman on national security Peter Bunting delivered a scathing attack on the police high command for interdicting the former chairman, Corporal Ron James.
And as Anthony Lugg reports, he was stopped mid-speech by a former Police Federation head.
The Police Federation Conference was without a familiar face. Its former chairman, Corporal Ron James, who's been on interdiction since his controversial comments about overtime payments. But the opposition spokesman on security, Senator Peter Bunting, would be his mouthpiece.
What about the accountability for those in the high command who failed to successfully implement a system to comply with a court order?
He likened the actions of the high command to union busting.
This is a watershed police federation conference. The delegates will decide the type of leadership they want for the next year. I hope they elect the leaders that the rank and file members deserve. You will decide whether it will be a timid, favor-currying, yes-men type of leadership, or will it be courageous, strident advocates for your members?
And then this happened.
Point of order. Point of order.
I
Chairman,
don't oppose point of order, but
Mr. Bunting.
What is the point of order?
Senator
that you are
Bunting.
interrupting my presentation.
Point of order.
When you are making your presentation, you decide how you make it. I am invited to speak. I will decide how I make my presentation.
Point of order.
Inspector Pachray Rowe is also a former chairman of the Police Federation.
Senator Bunting, this is our parliament. When a point of order is raised, the person who is on their feet stops speaking and allow the point of order to be raised. Chairman, I wish to raise a point of order.
Go ahead with your point of order, sir.
The point of order is that the matter, Mr. Senator Bunting is an invited guest to these conferences. Senator Bunting has to make his presentation within the rules of the Constabulary Force Act, which prohibits causing disaffection among members.
It cannot be that we invite guests into our space and then muzzle them. So please consider, because I do not see any comment that was likely to bring about disaffection of this conference. As a matter of fact, what has happened a while ago with my learned friend's submission is more likely to bring the conference into dissension.
Mr. Bunting was eventually allowed to continue his presentation. Hours later, we caught up with the embattled former chairman, Corporal Ron James.
I was never invited to this conference. I paid my way through. However, I'm not daunted by what it is that has been dished out to me at this time.
He may not be in the race for the next chairman of the Federation. However,
I will seek to influence the best possible representatives to take the members' business seriously and forward.
Who are you carrying?
I keep that card close to my chest. But one thing to say for sure, I have given strategic guidance as to what it is that should emanate from my interaction and presence.